the 5 best AI tools for engineering students. Engineering school hits you with a lot. Complex math and physics, design projects, simulations, lab reports, code, all while balancing deadlines. What if you had AI tools built specifically to help you handle that workload smarter? Today, we're counting down the 5 best AI tools for engineering students from number 5 to number 1. After this, you'll know which tool can plug into your study routine and boost your performance. AI, Mindgrasp AI. And number 5 is Mindgrasp AI, a tool designed for students, including engineering majors, that transforms your lecture slides, PDFs, videos, and notes into study-ready content summaries, flashcards, quizzes, and a built-in Q&A assistant. The advantage? You upload your class materials and instantly get structured tools for review instead of spending hours creating your own. The trade-off is that this is mostly for studying and reviewing, not designing circuits or running simulations. Ideal user engineering students drowning in course content who need a smarter way to review before exams and build understanding. Wolfram Alpha Pro AJ. Number 4 is Wolfram Alpha Pro Version, a computational engine that solves math, physics, engineering, and systems problems, offers step-by-step solutions, and handles symbolic as well as numeric computation. Its biggest advantage is power and precision when you're working on differential equations, circuit analysis, thermodynamics, or statics. You can get detailed help. The drawback? You still need to interpret results and apply them. It won't replace your designer's thinking. Ideal user engineering students working through technical problem sets who want to check solutions, explore methods, or visualize concepts. ChatGPT or similar LLMs for engineering help. Coming in at number 3 is using a general-purpose large language model like ChatGPT or its peers tuned for engineering tasks. With the right prompts, you can ask for code snippets, Python, MATLAB, etc., design logic, explanations of complex systems, or help brainstorming for capstone projects. The advantage? Flexibility. You can use it in almost any engineering course, from software to mechanical to electrical. The limitation? You need to guide the prompts well and always validate the output. Engineering demands accuracy. Ideal user students working on coding tasks, design projects, writing reports, and research where they need a versatile. 2. Tabnine AI Coding Assistant. Runner-up at number 2 is Tabnine, an AI coding assistant that supports many languages and IDEs and offers auto-completion, code generation, refactoring suggestions, and documentation help. For engineering students who write code, whether MATLAB, Python, C++ for simulations, embedded projects, or robotics, Tabnine speeds up your workflow, helps you avoid trivial errors, and gives suggestions you might miss. The trade-off? It's focused on coding rather than theory or design. Ideal user: engineering students engaged in software, firmware, simulation programming, robotics projects, or any assignment with significant coding. 1. Leo Ideation, generative design tool concept plus render workflow. And the number 1 spot goes to a tool we'll call Leo Ideation, representative of generative design AI tools for engineering use. These tools allow you to input a concept, constraints, specifications, and generate design alternatives with visuals, documentation, and variant options. Its biggest advantage: if you're working on design courses, CAD assignments, or a final project, this kind of tool helps you ideate faster, generate multiple design directions, visualize your idea, and jump ahead of many starting students. The only challenge: you'll still need to refine the output, evaluate manufacturability, materials, structural, thermal issues, etc. Ideal user: any engineering student with design-based assignments, mechanical, civil, aerospace, product engineering, who wants to explore more designs in less time. Conclusion: there you have it, the 5 best AI tools for engineering students. From Mindgrasp AI for review at number 5, Wolfram Alpha for technical problem solving at 4, ChatGPT for flexible assistance at 3, Tabnine for coding at 2, to Leo Ideation for design acceleration at number 1. Each of these tools addresses a different part of your engineering workload: study and review, math, physics, problem solving, coding tasks, design projects. Think about what slows you down most. Is it understanding concepts, solving tricky equations, writing code, creating designs fast? Once you identify that bottleneck, pick the tool that matches and let it help you work smarter so you can focus more on learning, creating, and innovating. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.